Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys vivo phone guys eyes protection mode setting guys, and today video title is guys how to disable eyes protection mode in our vivo phone device. Friends, you don't want to use guys your vivo phone guys eyes protection, and friends you can see guys your skin color is different. You want to set into default. So how can you set to the friends? I will show you. I will tell you guys. So first of all guys, you will have to turn on guys your phone setting guys. So we will on our phone setting guys. And guys, before starting video, can first of all go and subscribe the channel also. So guys, after on phone setting guys, you can see this type of settings. So guys, we will search here guys eyes protection. So we will search here guys eye. Friends, you can see your eyes protection guys. We will tap here to disable direct. So we can disable from here. After disable guys, we cannot use guys screen color will default guys. You can see guys, we cannot use eyes protection mode setting guys. You want to use guys, you will have to again enable if you want to use. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to disable vivo phone eyes protection mode. So bye guys.